Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your photo to look like at a billiard hall using AI or Gemini AI. So if you want to snap the perfect billiards hall photo without ever stepping inside one, here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Gemini AI to create stunning realistic photos at a pool hall all using your own face. So here is the example of the photo generated by AI, and here what you need to do to have your own. So first you can just open the Gemini AI application or site. So make sure you already have a Google account. Okay, so here is the Gemini apps, and then you can click on this button, create image, or you can also click on this one and choose the nano banana options, this one with the banana icon, to generate the image. And now you can upload your photo. So click on the plus button and choose your photo. So here I'm going to just go with a gallery. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use this photo in here. You can tap on done, and then here is the prompt that you need to use. Okay, so here's my prompt: edit this photo without changing the original face to be bent over the billiard table that will do a break start, with a background of several billiard tables and people playing in the background. And the face focus on the ball with a black shirt and beige pants. So this is optional. You can always change the shirt and also the pants color, holding a billiard stick. And the image is quality is HD with a bokeh effect, like the photo is taken using DSLR camera with soft and minimal lighting. And here you can just tap on this button to start generating the image. Let's just wait a few seconds until the result is out. Okay, so the await is based on your internet connection, so make sure you have good and stable internet connection. Okay, so now the image is done, and here is the result based on my prompt. So try your own photo to be edited like this using Gemini. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.